Hi everybody! Let's join Captain Discovery as we explore the secret behind the door of one of the largest chocolate factories in the world. This giant facility processes over 5,000 tons of cacao annually, contributing significantly to a $130 billion global industry. As we venture inside, we'll see cutting-edge technology and advanced techniques that turn raw cacao into fine chocolates enjoyed in over 100 countries. Originating from the ancient civilizations of Mesoamerica, chocolate began as a simple beverage made from ground cacao beans by the Maya and Aztec peoples. It was brought to America in the 17th century by European explorers and initially enjoyed only by the wealthy. By the 19th century, thanks to industrial advancements, chocolate transformed into a staple of the American diet, deeply embedded in its culture. Production process. Our journey will unveil the meticulous processes and the enormous scale of operations that turn simple cacao beans into the chocolate bars that populate shelves across the globe. One, harvesting the cacao. The main ingredient for making chocolate is coca beans, harvested from the tropical Thermobroma cacao tree. Expertise is critical in determining the perfect timing for harvest, which is always done manually to protect the tree's delicate bark. Workers carefully open each pod, typically containing 30 to 50 beans, enveloped in a sweet pulp. Two, the fermentation and drying process. Once exposed to air, the beans start fermenting in specially designed boxes, a crucial natural process that develops their deep flavors by breaking down their outer layers and eliminating bacteria. In fermentation boxes, the beans are stirred regularly over 5 to 8 days to ensure consistent and complete fermentation at temperatures of 40 to 50 degrees Celsius. Following this, the beans are sun-dried over several days and turned regularly to achieve an even dryness and to prevent excess fermentation. Three, roasting and winnowing. Transported to the production facility, the bean undergoes meticulous sorting to remove impurities like rocks and twigs. The roasting process follows, tailored specifically to enhance the bean's inherent flavors and eliminate any residual bacteria. After roasting, the crispy outer shells of the beans are removed from their nibs using a system of screening machines powered by air currents. Four, grinding and conching. The exposed nibs are ground into a dense cocoa mass by the melange, a machine equipped with 2 rotating stones. The grinding step is crucial as it significantly enhances the texture and flavor of the chocolate. After grinding, the nibs are transformed into a smooth and homogeneous cocoa mass, often referred to as cocoa liquor. During this process, ingredients like sugar and vanilla are added to enhance the chocolate's flavor and texture. The longer the grinding, the smoother the chocolate becomes, thanks to the melting cocoa butter. Five, tempering and molding. Before chocolate achieves its final bar form, it undergoes tempering. This process involves a careful modulation of temperature to perfect its crystalline structure. Next, this chocolate is poured into molds. It is then vibrated to expel any air pockets. Finally, it is left to cool and harden into the iconic chocolate bars we love. Six, packaging and distribution. Each bar passes through a stringent quality control check before being elegantly wrapped and prepared for distribution. These bars are now set to make their way into stores and into the hands of chocolate enthusiasts. Seven, environmental protection issues. This chocolate factory is harnessing renewable energy and minimizing waste to lessen its environmental footprint. Thanks for exploring the chocolate production process with us. If you're amazed by the blend of technology and craftsmanship we showcased, like, share, and comment your thoughts below. Don't forget to subscribe to Captain Discovery for more interesting journeys.